Hey, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos. We are bringing you tips and helps, and even helps for small business owners and or ministries. We love doing the videos. So, we ask you to subscribe, share, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. This is James, and I love having you here. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to bringing you more info. So make sure you share. We will be right back and bring you the info for this video. I'm going to show you a way to get totally free software, and this is the actual software, licensed software that you can get totally free. Download it, and there's no catch. So this is something that I have known of for many years and used to check it quite frequently. It's called Giveaway of the Day. Giveaway of the Day. Giveaway of the Day actually gives a new licensed software every day. And you basically, it tells about what it is, and it has Windows software, games, Android, and phone. In fact, down here, the iPhone app giveaways, Android, and just the top giveaways in general. And just to show you a little bit of what they do, let me go over to the computer giveaway or the Windows giveaway. They have an Ant Downline Manager Advanced System Pro 13.2, and what these are previous giveaways they have had. This is software that is fully licensed. You get the license number and everything when you do the giveaway of the day. Audio's Music Tube 2020, WiseCare, MS Swift, MS Tech Swift Gadget, and I have and when I say I've years ago, it was back in 2005, 2006. They had started up. I'm not sure exactly when they started, but I've used a lot of their software over the years, and I'm just now kind of getting back to it, and they have improved. So not only with the computer, but you can actually do fully licensed iPhone app giveaways and Android app, and these are full functioning software packs. So just figured I wanted to show you this, and here's another rescue your data. And let me just go ahead. This is kind of a new thing they've got. Let me see here. It looks like that's totally fully functioning. So this would be for if you have trying to recover data from a program, and there's SEO Power Suite. That might be something I'm just kind of looking at different things. So I just wanted you to see this, and I hope this actually helps you out, but it is a way to get brand new software, and I have used it for years, so I highly recommend it. So go to giveawayoftheday.com, and we want to ask you to like, share, and connect with us on our social media channels, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching.